Hey guys, it's your girl Zoisha and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm just going to be pretty much giving you guys an update in regards to what has been going on recently, why I haven't been uploading consistently or pretty much at all, why I haven't really been on my social medias, all that type of stuff I'm going to be explaining in this video. So if you want to know what's been going on and what's about to happen, stay tuned and continue watching this video. All right, so first things first, the main reason why I really haven't been on YouTube is because I started back working full-time. For those of you who aren't new, would have known that last year I had gotten sick, and then after going back to work, actually the same day I went back to work, I lost my job and whatever, and then I was off for a few months, but I was still doing, you know, a little something something. And then yeah, so now I finally found a new job, and it's a pretty cool job. I'm doing something in a field that I actually enjoy, so that's pretty cool and exciting. And then yeah, like it's just been like a real struggle just finding a balance, because it's like I work 5 days a week, 8 hours a day. I come home, all I want to do is make my dinner and relax. Like I don't really feel like picking up a camera or editing or anything like that. And then on the weekends, that's when I get time to do the things that I don't do on the weekdays, like taking care of my house, you know, laundry, cooking, cleaning, all of that good stuff, and like trying to find time to spend with Bae, Buffy, like my sister, my mom, you know what I mean? So it's like, oh, you know, it's like it's such a struggle, because it's like you want to create content, but at the same time sometimes you just want to have intimate moments. So that was also another issue, just me not really picking up my camera and capturing anything, so not having any content to put out. And yeah, so that explains that. And then a couple weeks ago, today is, what time is it? I think it's after 12. So today is October the 11th. So a few weeks ago, September 23rd, my grandfather passed away. And yeah, it's just been a complete roller coaster since then, because it's like, do I go to his funeral where he lives in Jamaica? Do I go to his funeral? Do I not go to his funeral because I'm already going to Jamaica in December? And it's like, do I have the money, because there's so many things that I'm planning for in December? So it's like, damn, like to find money now to go down to Jamaica, and I didn't have a passport, so that was another stress, because like, you know, whatever. And everything just happened so fast, like it just happened so fast. So it was just like boom, like you got to do this one Friday evening, like you got to do this, like, you know. And it was just like, damn. So yeah, so yeah, oh yeah, I also, if you notice, I'm wearing straighter hair than I normally would, and I'm able to do so now freely because I recently creamed my hair, you guys. I creamed my hair. For creamy hair, Mr. McCray, become a creamy hair. Like I've been natural, you guys, for at least 5 years now, and I creamed my hair. Like it was a big step, but honestly, taking care of natural hair is a lot of work, and I was not really ready for it. I didn't take the time to learn how to do styles or how to really take care of my hair, and I was always either covering it with a wig or flat ironing it for it to be straight. So I just said, you know what, let me just cream my hair and done, so me can do everything what I want to do with my hair, what me can't do with my natural hair. It just don't make any sense. You understand them way there? So yeah, my creamy ears, so now I'm able to wear all these type of hairstyles, and now I'm able to be in the sun, in any type of humidity. I can sweat, I can do whatever it is that I want to do, and my hair will stay the same, and that is perfect because you need that whenever you are going on a vacation. And that's right, I'm going on a vacation, and can you guess where I'm going? Where else do I go but Jamaica? Yo, you guys, when I post this video, I will either be on a plane heading to Jamaica or already there in Jamaica by the time you guys see this. So you know what that means. You guys are going to be getting Jamaica vlogs. You guys are going to be seeing some of your favoriteest people who always are in my vlogs. Daddy, Kiana, Tajio. Uncle John is actually at my house right now. Yeah, he came in yesterday and we're going down together. So that's really exciting that we're able to both go back now. You guys remember my Uncle John, Country Boy Comes to Foreign, that vlog? Check it out if you didn't. He's my uncle. He's from Jamaica and he's here in Canada working for a year. So yeah, that's really exciting that we both now get to go down to Jamaica as a vacation. It's not like I'm going to visit him. He's actually gonna be able to like do things now, like, you know, so it's gonna be a whole different vibe. And what else? Oh yeah. Speaking of Uncle John, my grandfather who passed away is my dad's dad. So yeah, we have not had a death like a death like this that brought so many people together in a long time, like since my grandma died, which was like 20 years ago. So it's a big deal. And his whole funeral thing is gonna be a little bit different, so you want to stay tuned to see what I mean about that. It's gonna be a first for me. So I'm really nervous. I think that's why I'm so anxious. And I just don't like funerals. And it's crazy how these last couple of times that I've gone to Jamaica have been because of funerals. My grandmother, Marlon's grandfather, now my grandfather. It's a part of life. So yeah, but I'm really excited to go down. I'm going to be linking up with a lot of people who I haven't seen in years. And like I said, you guys are going to see your favorite people. Daddy, Kiana, Tajio, Uncle John. Hopefully I get to link with Kenya and Stama. They don't know that I'm coming down. Actually, nobody but my dad knows that I'm coming down. I'm pretty sure he probably told my brother. I don't know. But like literally, I just booked my ticket. Anyways, as I was saying before my camera overheated and really interrupt me, yeah, I hope I link up with them, but I'm going to be linking up with a lot of people who I haven't seen in years, so it's going to be a really, really exciting trip. I know it's going to be emotional, but overall, I'm going to be with my family, and that's the most important thing to me at the end of the day. Okay? To anyone out there who's ever questioned it or asked me to put anything before that, never. No. Family first, okay? So yeah. Yeah, just stay tuned. If you're not following me on Snapchat, I would highly suggest that you do, so that you can get previews to what you know is going to be seen in the vlogs. And wanna just bear with me. I don't know if I'm going to be able to upload while I am there. I just really do not know as of yet. If I can, I will, but it probably wouldn't be Jamaica vlogs anyways, because I still have content to post from before this trip. But anyways, I will see you guys in Jamaica next time. If you're following me on Snapchat, Facebook, or Instagram. If not, all of that information will be listed down below, so don't forget to follow me on those things. Hit subscribe if you're new here, and yeah, stay tuned. And thank you guys for staying with me. To my day ones, I love you guys. To the new people, thank you so much for joining in on this journey I call life. And to anyone new, why wouldn't you want to be a part of this group? You know what I'm saying? I'm really excited, you guys. I want to see my daddy in a couple of hours. Oh my god. Anyways, I'm not dragging this out any longer. I will see you guys later. Until then, bye.